Hello my friends, Tukan Studios plugins are crazy. They are designed to be used on Reaper and they are a mix saver for me, for whomever who knows them. I'm going to check the disks on this one. This is SumBus S2. This is supposed to be a bus processor, a light bus processor, not a weird future rich one. It's actually future rich. It's just not showing it. We have access to 3 disks and each and every one of them has a different and beautiful audio quality. We have bus compressor, of course, and we have soft clip and hard clip. So what would you need more? This is your new best friend for achieving great loudnesses. So loudness starts from individual channels, then bus channels, then it goes in bus channels, and then it goes for mastering channel. So anywho, let's go check these disks. Okay, so our audio material is this beautiful one. So I have used KClip from KClip 0. It is the free version. Let me disable this. These are 3 instruments, 2 on this bus and 1 in other channel. Each one of them has a lot of peaks. And when they sum up, it's crazy dynamic. So let's go check this compressor. As you can see, ratio is 3.24. The release is 355. The attack is 6.30, 6.40. It changed. Okay. And we have a little bit of makeup. Let's get to it. It is more controlled and it has better performance as I see, as I hear. So let's check in the whole song.
I have no soul, I have nothing. I have no soul, I'm dead inside. If you wanna make friends with me, no, that's I have no soul, I have nothing. I have no soul, I'm dead inside. If you wanna make friends with me, no, that's when danger arises. I have no soul, I have nothing.
It has better positioning and it's on its own place in the sound field. I like that. It needs to be a little bit wider. So I'm going to use this beautiful plugin.
I have no soul, I have nothing. I have no soul, I'm dead inside. If you wanna make friends with me, no, that's when danger arises. I have no soul, I have nothing. I have no peace, I'm all.
Lovely. So this audio material needed this bus processing, compressor, clipping, and some colors to sit better. But the main purpose of this video was about the disk's color. Let's go check these colors. It's really beautiful. So the first one is airy and clean at high end. It doesn't have much of a low end like other modes, but it's still beautiful. It depends on which audio materials or which buses you use it on. Maybe strings, it would be a perfect tool, but for vocals or maybe other audio materials that need more warmth and low end, it may not be your first option. The second one has a low end drive like tube processors. It might be a desk related to tube disks, simulation related to tube disks, and it sounds great. It is almost focused, it is almost centered. Not as much as first mode. First mode has bigger high end, but focused low end. The second desk is a little bit wider, a little bit warmer, less high end, and it has a better overall performance on maybe any audio material. But the third one is weird. Let's check again. What am I doing? My mouse isn't working. As you can hear, it helps audio material to get wider without any obvious problems. It has a little bit of woody quality added to this audio material. It has a quality like solid compressors or solid processors, bus processors, or whatever individual channel processors. So it has a solid mid-range, mid to low end processing. It doesn't have much of a sub processing. So it's focused on almost higher frequencies, higher than maybe 150 hertz. And it's clean. It's clean. It's almost neutral on higher frequencies. It just keeps them as they are. Other desks process them, but the third one almost keeps them natural and as they are. It has a little bit of air added to it, but still it is the most untouched but widened quality here accessible on these desks. Tukan Studios actually is doing a great job with these plugins. They are really pro on whatever they do. So what about no desk? No desk doesn't have those extra colors and audio personalities. So no desk is just let my audio material to be as it is. I don't want any extra audio processing and I want my channel to be as it is. But other desks have their own personality and their own special use and special place. Anywho, it depends on you how to use them. You may use no desk on a place that I wouldn't use, or you may use the second mode on vocals, the first mode on drums. How would I know that? So I love this mode for this keys bus. They are actually like plucked, but who cares? I have named it keys. Doesn't matter. The audio quality and the processes matter. So let me check this KClip 0 and see what it does here. So it still has benefits. It has almost minus 1 dB of reduction here, gain reduction here, and it is fully softened. It's almost unsensible how it works. It's not audible, but it is still there. It is audible. I'm hearing those little changes, but it is hard to hear. I don't know how YouTube processes these audios. You may hear it, you may not, but it is working and it has a great color to it. Every SoftClip plugins have this beautiful color added to audio material. Each and every one of them has it, but not all of them are musical or lovely or usable on each and every channel. So this one is perfect for each and every channel, from mixing to mastering. It has a fixed 16x offline oversampling, and on the real-time channels, on the real-time processing, it is 2x if I'm not wrong. It's good. Does the job. So my friends, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.